Sobrang close siya. Side to side. Ay!
Kamusta po yung samahan nyo ngayon?
Okay naman. Masaya naman kami yung magkasama.
Patibay naman ang patibay. Parang first time yata namin kumanta para sa...
For a brand.
Yeah, for a brand.
Yes.
So thank you, Chowking, for making this happen. I'm sure marami silang napasaya.
Kamusta po yung feeling? Anong naramdaman nyo?
Siyempre masaya, siyempre excited, and naramdaman talaga namin ang holiday experience.
Ako parang it's a perfect time to jumpstart the holiday season, and I'm happy na first Christmas tree actually na nakita ko for the year and the light up. So it's a very happy and warm feeling.
Speaking of projects po, ano pong update sa upcoming movie? Nasaan na po kayo ng process and kamusta po yung flow?
Parang
Nag-shooting pa rin kami, and
tomorrow shoot ulit, pero
shooting ulit tomorrow.
currently finishing the movie. Hopefully matapos namin by December, so there's more time for post. Pero so far parang happy naman yung mga nakanood ng mga rushes namin.